Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos on TV. So make sure watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do is just to go to YouTube. So head to youtube.com and basically you will need just to open any video that you would like to cast. For example, let's just go for this one. After that, we need just go here and click on play on TV. By clicking on play on TV, you will find the number or a list of devices or the TVs that can be cast on. You click on the TV that you would like and you will be able to cast your videos on TV. Another way to watch videos, YouTube videos on TV, by just going to the YouTube app on TVs. TVs YouTube app. So for each smart TV, you will find a YouTube app, and basically you will need just to go to your YouTube app and YouTube TV. You will be able to see your YouTube. You will need just to go to search for your YouTube video that you would like. So they are all similar to the web one. You will need just to go to your YouTube app included or implemented in your TV, you search for the videos and you will be able to watch on your TVs. And basically, if you have just only the browser on your TV and you don't have like the YouTube application implemented in your Samsung or any other type or brand of TV, you will need just to go to your browser and search for YouTube, and you will be able to access the youtube.com without accessing the application itself, and you will be able to start watching your videos on it and also connecting to your account and logging into your account in the same stuff as the web browser. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.